Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Code Heroes. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can upload your files or your folders through command prompt to GitHub. You can push your files directly into the GitHub. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the directory where you have saved all the files which you want to upload to GitHub. So then I'll go to command prompt to that location. Okay, then I'll first type git init. Okay, now if you get any error, I have given a link to the video to solve those errors in the comment section. So you can watch that video if you get any error related to git. After that, you have to type git add dash. Now what will it will do is it will add all the files to the git. If you want to add a specific file, then you have to give the name of that specific files. Okay. For now, I want to add all the files, so I'll enter dot. Then I'll type the commit name. So I'll do git commit slash m slash and then name of the commit. Then I'll hit enter. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll go to GitHub. Then I'll simply create a repository, new testing, and simply leave all of this as it is. You can add readme file if you want. Now once commit is done, we have to perform these three. Okay, so I'll simply just copy paste them. So now our files are getting pushed. So while it is done, make sure you like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to the channel. If you face any issue, contact me on Instagram and I'll help you there. Now, if I reload this page, our files are uploaded. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.